In this video, I'll show you how you can remove the screen lock on your OnePlus Watch 4. Now, if you're tired of typing in the PIN, password or pattern and you'd like to remove it, it's pretty simple. So all you have to do is, first of all, unlock your device. And then from here, on the watch face, swipe down from the top of the screen and then tap on the settings wheel icon at the bottom right corner. And then from here, scroll down to the bottom until other and select it. And then scroll down and tap on screen lock. And then you have to enter the PIN or pattern that is currently active on your OnePlus Watch 4. So once you type in the PIN or pattern, you should scroll down and now select none. And then from here, you should see this prompt, remove lock screen. So tap on the check mark and that will remove the screen lock on your OnePlus Watch 4. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below and I'll see you on the next one.